All right, everybody, welcome back. Um, I was thinking, I was doing some thinking while we were paused. While I got up, stretched my legs a little bit, and I was doing some thinking. I had said you got to start thinking about these things in a certain way. Like with the bed and whatnot. I am going to bed, Gwydion. Do not disturb me. Okay. I was thinking. Where does someone often hide something in their house? On top of their dresser or on top of cabinets. And that closet with the robe, I didn't try looking up on top of it. Of course, now he's going to be in here. Oh, look at him. Yeah. You run a hand along the top of the closet. Suddenly, you touch something metallic. Grabbing it, you discover a small brass key. What could it unlock? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. While he's asleep, too. Master Thief Gwydion. Hold on. How close to him can I get? I tried to take a shit. There's chamber pot right next to it. Obviously, you were raised by a naughty wizard. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. Oh Lord. Now, the thing is, that obviously means that Roberta or Ken, Roberta or Ken, obviously one of them thought somebody was gonna try and take a shit. Because somebody had to program that. I'm willing to bet it's this cabinet here. Well, actually, hold on. Look, key. The small brass key is brightly polished. Unlock cabinet. You unlock the oaken cabinet using the brass key. Look in. Oh. Inside, you find the wizard's magic wand. You take it with you, knowing it could mean death if he finds it missing. Okay. I'm also, I kept looking at the bookshelves. I didn't search the bookshelves. And I'm curious. Is it Dang. Now that's some sass, Roberta. Search books. Move books. You're not close enough. I'm right up on it. You push the large book aside, revealing a metal lever attached to the back of the bookshelf. Pull lever. It's gotta be. I knew it. Oh, I knew it. Yes. I am a boss. A trapdoor opens, revealing steep stone steps leading into darkness. Alright. Oh, here's that cat again. How did the cat get down here? The trap door was closed. Oh! No. Oh! Uh-oh, that darn cat really did it to you this time. Tripping over the cat, you fall to your death. This is the most realistic cat I have ever seen in a video game. Oh my god. Alright, well, we know there's something down here. Okay, so I guess we gotta wait for him to wake up. I'm gonna leave him another shit. Manannan is asleep on his great bed. His snores are so loud they rumble off the walls. Be quiet, you wouldn't want to disturb him. Alright, so I guess we should put this under the bed. I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait for you know, Sleepy Joe Manannan to wake up. You'd get on your hands and knees and shove it under the bed. It will be safe from the wizard's sharp eyes there. Now what should I do? I guess just strut my stuff. I mean, I hate to just like sit around and wait for 40 minutes. I'm willing to bet it's probably 40 minutes. Well, I'm 40 minutes in game. Nothing really to do. As I understand it, what he's going to do is he's going to get up. Oh, cat. He's going to get up every day. He'll go on a journey. And so that is your time to make use of your time. I mean, that's your time to act is during that down period. What's a dance? Oh. Throw party. What's a party? Oh. Throw rave. Your dresser is a piece of junk. It's full of nicks and scratches, and one drawer is completely missing. Okay. Yeah, I'm guessing we just gotta like wait around for it to be 40 minutes on the clock in the game. not doing anything other than just having like an OCD thing and trying to get his legs paused exactly when they're straight. Oh, no, I had it. Yeah, I'll just stand here and wait. A couple more seconds. Let's throw down a save. Do 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 do. Cinderella, Cinderella, night and day it's Cinderella. Oh, well, maybe he's not gonna wake up that quick. You know what? Gwydion's had enough. He has had enough. Nimbly, you grab the nasty cat by the scruff of its neck, avoiding its needle-sharp claws. Now that you have the cat, what are you going to do with it? Kill. I know that one of the spells calls for cat fur, so you're not that cruel. Screech. You managed to pluck some. You manage to pluck some fur before he viciously scratches and leaps from your arms. With grim satisfaction, you survey your wounds. Stupid cat, you scoff. Whether you know it or not, you just helped me. Oh, shoot, I didn't read that. Oh well. The detestable cat leaped. I didn't really know I could do it that way. I was gonna go in here and hide fur. Take knife. No, I'm gonna try and go kill Manannan. I didn't know that's how I was gonna get the cat fur. I'm gonna have to redo it because I'm sure Manannan's gonna kill me. But I just want to take a shot. Just want to see what I can do. Had enough of this snoozing old man. Your own death would result from that. He's too powerful for you. No. Man. No. Well, I guess since I've wasted time doing all this, I guess I should just restore it. Let's see here. So since he's not gonna wake up. Oh, there was the cat. Dang it. Here's the cat. Screech. Heh. Action, stupid cat. Whether you know it or not, you just helped me. The detestable cat leaps from your arms, snarling and screeching. Okay. So I may end up having to, like, start this over. This is, like, so specific, and I don't know how long I have. I really don't. He's gonna take everything. I mean, if he catches me with one thing, it doesn't matter, right? Like, if he catches me with one thing, he'll gonna catch me with everything. I gotta go back downstairs. I gotta go get his wand. I gotta go find that laboratory. I just don't know how long I have on the clock. Maybe I'm... Oh man, what if I've wasted like 10 minutes? I don't know. I don't know. They're 5 minutes, I guess, really. Was it 5 minutes? No, it was 10 minutes. Unlock the cabinet with the key. Inside you find the wizard's magic wand. Take the wand. After closing the door, you carefully relock it. Move book. Oh. Move book. Pull lever. Moving on down the stairs. Do 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 do. At least these stairs are like nice and big. I don't have to worry too much about these. Okay. Look room. You look in awe around this torchlit underground room. It appears to be a laboratory. A wizard's laboratory. Against the earthen walls, there are rows of shelves holding numerous jars which contain strange, unknown ingredients. The shelves also hold skeletons of small animals and birds, some human skulls and bones, and other odd instruments. Whose use you do not know. Against the earth wall is a massive oak table with a spacious worktop. The narrow stone steps lead up to the wizard's study. Look shelves. You curiously gaze at the strange jars of ingredients, the animal and human bones, and other odd implements which line the rows of shelves. You see jars of ingredients resting on labeled shelves, shelves bearing such ghastly names as powdered fishbone, nightshade juice, mandrake root powder, saffron toad spittle, and toadstool powder. Take all. Take toad. Okay, never mind. Guess I can't take it. Look, shelf. Curiously, okay. Look, table. The wizard's desk is curiously empty. You have no further interest in it. Oh, wait, what's this book? Look, table. Against the earthen wall is a massive oak table with a spacious worktop. Atop the oak table are a large leather-bound book, a mortar and pestle, a little brazier holding charcoal, and a flint, plus measuring cups, beakers, flasks, and stirrers. Look, book. Covered with gold trimmings, the old book's leather cover is cracked and worn, its pages yellowed and brittle. The title, however, is clear. The Sorcery of Old. This is a spell book! So this is how we cast spells. You eagerly thumb through page after page of what you assume to be magic formula. Formulas. The ink of the old handwriting is faint and barely readable. Most of the formulas are indecipherable, but a few are in a language you know. You treat the old book with great care, as you can tell it contains recipes for some very old and powerful magic spells. Your hands shake as you realize this book could be the key to your escape from the evil Manannan. Take book. Manannan would be very suspicious if he would discover the Sorcery of Old missing. Read book. covered with gold trimmings. Okay, so that's the same thing. Take pestle. There is no need for you to carry the mortar and pestle around with you. It will remain on the table for you to use as you wish. You curiously gaze at the strange ingredients. So this is all just the same stuff. Can I, like, cast spell? How can you do that? Spell? How can you... Make? Spell? Read? Spell? Oh, gosh, I don't know. I mean, this is clearly... This is the key. This is the crux of the game. I know that. It's the making of the spells. But I don't know how to activate the book. Activate book? What's an active? Oh, no. Oh, come on. Alright. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I think, oh my gosh. I've gone through so much time. We're at 22 minutes on the recording. Okay, I'm going to keep recording while I rush back upstairs. Well, rush at blazing speed. Rush back upstairs. I'm going to hide all my stuff. And I'll probably just, like, stop the recording while I wait for the timer to run out for him to, like, leave for the next day. And then we'll take another whack at this. Oh, there's that cat. Recycle the screen. Okay, cool. I don't need to deal with him again right now. Oh, wait, hold on. Look, wand. The magic wand is cold and smooth to the touch, and creamy white in color. You think it might be fashioned from ivory. Okay. Pull lever. Move book. Oh, shoot, I didn't read that. Dang it. Move book. Pull lever. Pull lever. Pull lever. The trapdoor groans shut, disappearing into the floorboard. Move book. Okay. You move the big book back where you found it, so it again conceals the metal lever. You don't want the old wizard to grow suspicious of your activities. Alright, let's try and get back to our room. I mean, I think I've got a game plan. I think I've got a pretty good game plan. We're gonna... Assuming I don't get stuck on the wall. Hide all. You get on your hands and knees, quickly shove all your possessions under the bed. Let me safe here. It's the wizard's sharp eyes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'm going to go ahead and I guess just stop the recording here. And we'll pick back up when something happens. All right, see you again soon. Bye-bye.